Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel where I show you various tutorials from kids crafts to paper crafts down to anything that I'll be encountering. Today, I will be showing you this easy DIY paper Christmas tree. I am so excited to fill my channel with various Christmas crafts, so do subscribe and hit the bell button for more upcoming videos. Now, to begin with, prepare your cardstocks, scissors, and glue. I prefer using cardstock as it is thicker, so you will have a longer quality. Start by rolling it to form a cone and secure the end with the glue. Cut the excess ends after. Now get another sheet of cardstock and we are going to cut out the leaves this time. So when using a cutter, we use the flatter surface to score out the cardstock so the crease will be smooth when we fold it. Then we use the sharper side obviously for cutting. So decide on the height of your leaves, score it in the middle part, and cut out the bottom layer of the leaves. Now fold it and do the cutting of the strips. Cut smaller strips or thinner ones as much as possible so that your Christmas tree would have sort of like a natural leaves effect. So I got this marker tool to help me bend the leaves and so that it can give us a natural curve for our leaves for the Christmas tree. Rub it around a bit so that the leaves won't look flat, and then you're now ready to paste it on your cone structure. So just go ahead and do it again by first cutting out a number of paper leaves, then repeat the steps, stick them around the cone all the way until you reach the top. It's kinda exciting when you're starting to see the look almost into completion, and I'm really excited to form this up. Don't forget to rub the leaves around so you will have a more realistic Christmas tree. You can use whatever tool you have or simply rub it with your fingers. How do you guys find it so far? I'm now excited to show you how to make a star and put it later on top of our tree. I am using a yellow soft paper strip with the length of maybe around 6 inches by 0.25 inch width. Start off by tying a knot on one end and try to make sure that the pentagon shape is formed neatly. Then just fold the tail along the pentagon shape until you get to the end. Insert the excess into the flaps. And now we will gently use our fingertips to push the sides inward, sort of creating a curve until you form a star out of it. It's just that simple. Yes, and we finally will be putting up our star on top of the tree. Next, let's dress up our Christmas tree by putting Christmas balls on it. I have decided to do away with the colorful papers. For me, I would make use of this reflective sheet of plastic. What's so nice about this is it naturally reflects light, as you can see, and it gives that instant sparkle. It kind of feels like having Christmas lights all over the Christmas tree. So first, you need to fold the sheet multiple times for the puncher to be able to go through it sharply. So make sure you clear out first the paper rubbish from your puncher, as you would want the catcher to only contain these reflective circles after. Now, it's time to stick them up. Do use a toothpick or so, as these reflective circles are harder to manage if you're using your bare hands only. With the toothpick, it's easier to pick them up on one end, then use the other tip to press them towards the glue. So just continue filling up your tree until you are happy with the outcome. So, how do you guys find it? This one is a great activity across all ages, and even I had fun doing this. Do comment down below on what other Christmas ornaments you'd want to make and let me get on it for you. I'm hoping to form up a Christmas village actually, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button if you want to see the Christmas village soon. I'm feeling the Christmas vibes now. See you around!